Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the Bae Sauce Show. This is probably going to be quite a short video. Okay, so on today's episode, looks like we are replacing the wing mirror now. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is a fairly simple procedure. Obviously, first you need to get the door cards off. Mine are already off because I've been rebuilding them. And then the next thing we're going to want to do, is unclip the electrics for it, like that. Pretty simple. And then we need to get into here because there's 3 10mm nuts behind there, and that will get the thing off. So this literally pretty much pulls off. Sort of like that. You might want to, some of them, I've had mine off before, so you might want to get like a lever bar or like a screwdriver behind, and then next. Okay, well I only have 2 bolts, clearly I'm missing one, so yeah, there'll be a 10mm there, 10mm there, and a 10mm there. Cool, yeah, so. Okay, so this is the new wing mirror, as you can see. The only issue is, it is black and not red. So what we're going to need to do is take the cover off of this one and put it onto this one. Okay, so the glass is fairly simple to remove. You've got to be tough but kind at the same time. So you just need to push it in here and then gently pull it out. Not forcing too hard, otherwise you might breaking it. So you might just be able to see it. There is a clip in here that you can get a screwdriver in and just sort of twist to help lever one side out to make it a bit easier for it to come out. See if we can do run around the same side. Like that. So obviously, nice. And then we've got the 2 connections here for the heated glass. Well, we've got one and the other one has fallen out. There's a lot of spider stuff in here, so I'm going to give this a nice quick clean out. See you later. Okay, so and then the next stage to get this off is we're going to want to undo these screws here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And that will remove this section, and it will expose 4 plastic clips that are attached to the backing cover. Okay, so once you've removed the screws, you can then peel this open like that, and it will expose these plastic clips here. They just need sort of prying apart and opening and pushing back. You might have to get a flathead screwdriver in there to help sort of get it out. This one. There we are. So that's out, and then what we need to do is just get the other one out of the old one, which is pretty battered, so it's not too hard on that one. Although I'm saying that, I've just broken a clip on it. Oh well. Not to worry. Alright, and then you just need to get the screws and reassemble it. Okay, so now that that's all back together, I haven't put the glass in just yet because I quite like to put that in once it's all together. So what we need to do now is just feed that wire back through. Line it up, press it together. It all fits pretty well, you know. I haven't got any bolts in that there, and it's not, there's no play in it, so it's quite easy to align back up. Then yeah, just put these bolts back in. If you do have 3 bolts, do put all 3 in. I'm only putting the 2 in because that's all I have. It's sort of similar with most of the stuff in my car. It's usually all missing bolts, but there's enough bolts in there that will hold it in place. So we ain't gonna worry too much. It's all weight saving. Oh, I remember what I did now. I think one of the bolts, when I originally took it off ages ago, is down in the door somewhere. Possibly, because I put it through this hole in it and I lost it, I think. It was ages ago since I last done something like this. Right, cool. So just connect the wires back up for the motor and the heated mirror, if you have that. Then you just want to get this, line it back up so it's got these little poppers. They just push into these holes here. There you are, and they click in to place. And then what we're going to do is make sure this is the right way round, and then just connect those bits back up and then press it back into place. And just pressing in there. Right, now let's just try that with the yeah, so that is can I get anything? There we are. So that's all working. Yeah. And so for the final stage for me, it'd be connecting up this little mirror visor I made, which I had on my old one, but I've run out of double-sided tape, so I can't fit that anymore. Yeah, this is something I made. They're pretty sweet. They sit on there. Thinking about making more, so if you are interested in these, do let me know in the comments section below. I'll show you what it looks like on the car. So this is on the passenger side, obviously. So yeah, they look like that. They're pretty sweet. Sort of help reduce glare from the sun, and also do help keep them dry a bit, depending on which way rain and water is coming at you. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's the wing mirror replacement. Good as new, basically now, all on there. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do like the video, please do give it a like and subscribe. That'd be great. See you next time.